The civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for the following counties/areas. Wharton TX, beginning at 9:23 p.m. on May 9, 2023, effective until 10:23 p.m. Message from my POSCAP. Radiological hazard confirmed within El Campo. A train accident resulting in a fire is releasing unknown, but radioactive materials into the air. These materials are extremely toxic to humans and can cause death within minutes of exposure. As such, everyone within a 10-mile radius of the fire must evacuate as quickly as possible. There is no time to prepare supplies. Evacuate now. The civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for the following counties/areas. Matagorda TX, beginning at 9:25 p.m. on May 9, 2023, effective until 10:25 p.m. Message from my POSCAP. A radiological hazard currently exists within Bay City. A fire that has broken out due to a vehicular accident has been confirmed to be releasing radioactive materials into the air. All residents within a 10-mile radius of Bay City must evacuate immediately. The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. State of Texas TX, beginning at 9:26 p.m. on May 9, 2023, effective until 10:26 p.m. Numerous reports of radioactive accidents and fires have been received throughout the state of Texas. Emergency management is overwhelmed by the sheer volume of reports. As such, a statewide state of emergency has been declared. If you receive a wireless emergency alert or hear warning sirens, you are in an area that must evacuate. Do not attempt to bring supplies as the radiation in most areas is potent enough to cause fatality within minutes of exposure.